says the Kabro. I guess it's a dimple padlock. Got big pins. They almost look like ball bearings. I don't know if it's guttable. If that plug comes out, I'm not sure. It kind of comes out a little bit once it opens. Yeah, but I don't know. Anyway, I've not gotten this open yet. It turns counterclockwise to open. So I'm going to try this tensioner. I don't know if this is going to work or not. These pins it's almost like they get locked up and they get stiff real hard to lift. So I don't know. It's a weird feeling lock. Not exactly sure what's going on inside there. So like that. Pin feels like it's binding, but it just does not want to go up. Yeah, this thing feels different than any dimple lock that I've picked. I'm not really applying tension in a great direction either. It's having to apply a lot of force, and it's not applying a lot of rotational force, I don't think. Did I get it? Oh, how about that? Not sure. That was a weird lock. I really don't understand the mechanism even after picking it. These pins seem to go left and right as well as up and down. I think you can see that. So yeah, I don't know. According to the key though, it looks like they're all lined up, but or maybe not. I don't think this is guttable. I don't know how to gut it if it is guttable. Let me lock this back up. See if maybe I don't think the cover is going to come off because the pin's in the way. But the core it pops out a little bit as it unlocks. And this is a smooth shaft, so I'm not exactly sure what is retaining it. But there's definitely something that is retaining it. So I don't know how to gut this thing. See, I'm going to put a mark on it. So I'm going to put a mark right there. It definitely goes past. So that is just a smooth. So there's a pin, I guess, that's getting stuck right there. Wonder if I can shim it. Probably going to have to put this shim in from the other side. Seems like that shim is going all the way through. It's hitting on something at the bottom there. I don't know. This isn't really working. That's got to be how you got it, though. I'm just not doing it right. I'm not doing it right at all. I really want to get this thing open. To see what's in it. I'm not doing this right at all. I thought I had it. Well, this is just not working. I don't know where the pin is even. I don't know. Well, I'm just going to give up on it. So, yeah, I don't really know how this lock works or how to gut it, but it almost looks like pin 2 is offset a little bit. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's just an optical illusion of the way that I'm looking at it, but it looks like the pins move back and forth unless they're just really loose in that keyway. You can see them jiggling. So yeah, I don't know. It's a different, felt a lot different than a normal dimple lock or anything else that I picked. It's just a cover that I took off just to make it a little bit easier to tension. That is the Kabro PL. Not sure what all that means, but yeah, I got it from Locksmith Amateur. I think he was the first one to pick this on video, so congratulations to him. And thank you very much for the lock. It is a cool lock, and don't fully understand it. So, yeah. Thank you again, Locksmith Amateur. Really appreciate it. Very cool.